You're mad. Alright, yeah, right. Oh, hello. How are you? Yeah, I'm alright. Just chilling at the moment. I was just about to watch a video if you fancy joining. It's called 10 Creepiest Doorbell Camera Clips. You fancy it? I fancy it. Let's bloody do it. Okay. Oh God!
Nightmare Files. Nightmare Files.
What on earth is that? What are you wearing, mate? See, if I saw something like that, I wouldn't be scared, right? I'd open the door and be like, what the fuck are you doing? What are you doing? Because how can he attack you in that? And when I'm just like, Good costume though. I'll give him that.
The owner of this home had no idea that this creepy old woman with a knife in her hand was at his door in the middle of the night until he woke up the next morning.
Wait a minute. It's in HD, people. It's in HD. Okay. He needs to get a new camera, that's for sure.
Some people say that she's possessed. I say she's senile.
Yeah.
She was very reluctant to ring the doorbell. If she did, the owner would have woken up. What do you think would have happened?
What's she doing? She's like holding it out. That's sad, isn't it? Look at her hand. Fucking hell. So shall I do it? Shall I not? Shall I do it? Shall I not? Shall I do it? No, I shouldn't do it. Shit. Maybe. Yeah. All right. Yeah, I'm gonna do it. Oh God. I'm not ready. This is a bad idea. Shit. Okay. Here we go. I've done it. Have I done it? I think I've done it. I don't know if I've done it. What are you doing, love? Oh, I think she heard me. Number 9.
In this video, looks like an abduction of a woman at gunpoint in Richmond Hill, Ontario.
You're joking.
The man steps out of the car carrying what looks like a handgun, threatening to kill the woman before putting her in the car.
What?
Stop. Oh, yo. You think you'll get in the car? I'm like, I think I'm gonna die. Good. Johnny. I'm gonna kill you. You wanna leave?
Bloody hell, man. What the hell? I hope they got the bastard. Don't like shit like that. It's scary. Really scary.
These owners of a Ring doorbell camera saw a motion detection video in which a person walks by, but the upper body seems to be transparent.
Oh God, yeah.
If you pay attention, you will see that the upper body is never seen beyond the right side of the tree, but footsteps are still heard.
What the hell? What do you think? Supernatural. Flippin' heck. I don't know. Because look. He has got an upper body. It's just maybe it's the same colour of the bloody road. I don't know. Number 7. What we got for number 7, please?
As this woman is frantically ringing the doorbell, she's actually trying to get away from her boyfriend, Victor Kuchik. In the background,
if I was going to buy, right, if I was going to buy one of these cameras for the doorbell, I would make sure it's bloody 4K or HD because I'm sick and tired of this. Like, how can you see their face? You want to see what these bastards look like, but you can't.
You can hear him say that he would get the gun from the car.
What? Oh shit, where's that?
Stop, please, no. No, 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 please. Stop.
Shocking. Shocking. Number 6.
In this video, it happened to be a day that was not Halloween.
Here we go. See, this is what we're talking about. This kind of quality. This is what we like.
The owner of the house says that
Oh,
she thought
it's
it was
this idiot.
UPS because it was 8 p.m. So she ignored the door. To her surprise, the package was not there. She checked her camera and found a character from the movie Trick or Treat just standing at her door. What do you think would have happened if she would have opened that door?
Got a face full of lolly. Some weirdos out there, man. What's he doing? I would love to know what happens if they did open the door and just be like, what are you doing, mate? What are you doing? I wonder what he'll do. Because he's not carrying out... What's that? It looks like he's got padding, actually. Like, that lollipop will probably hurt if you get it around the head, but other than that... Number 5.
In November of 2019, in a Los Angeles neighborhood, people were shocked to hear a woman screaming, "Somebody help me, please," and a man responding with, "Sorry." The people in the neighborhood were frightened due to the nature of her screams. This lady was a victim of an attempted kidnapping.
Attempted kidnapping. Can hardly bloody hear it. Fucking hell. God. That's shocking. Fucking hell. That's insane.
This video simply just shows a creepy woman going to a house saying random things. Maybe she was on drugs, drunk, but it could be anything. You never know who you run into.
What on earth? What the
Let me know
hell?
what you think she says in the comment section.
Hey baby, you want a good time tonight? I'm out here lonely. You like that?
Mom.
Mom?
30. Say help me, please.
What? What? What'd she say? Come on.
Say help me, please.
Say help me, please. She's a touch of feeler, isn't she? I woke my grandmother up. Bloody hell. Bloody hell. Number 3.
On January 1st, 2020, Darnell Rogers got into a dispute with his then girlfriend over money.
Oh no.
They both left their 4-week-old baby in the car.
Oh,
Darnell
God.
chased her as she ran for help. He claims he did not remember the incident the next morning.
Of course you didn't, mate. You sick bastard.
Stop, Darnell!
Dick. Dick. Pick up the plant, woman. Hit him. Arsehole. I hate that. I hate that. I hate that. Fucking hell, man. Number 2.
In May of 2019, Gerald Haywood was visiting his friend Rodney Copeland. As you see, it seems like a normal day until Gerald gets bit by a snake on his eyelid.
Oh, shit.
Following the
What?
incident, he was taken to the hospital and one of the neighbors killed the snake that was wrapped around the porch lamp. Rodney claims that he thought Gerald was playing a prank when he ran in the house. Gerald suffered only minor injuries.
Do we see it? Do we get to see it? Or is he carrying it? Is that it? Is he carrying it? Let's have a look here, mate. Let's have a look. Oh, shit! Oh, shit! Oh, God, that thing flew! How? How did it do that? I know I shouldn't laugh, but my God, that is funny. Wait, I want to see that again. I'm sorry, guys. I was not expecting that. Here we go. This is the bit. This is the bit. Here we go. Look at this. How? Oh, shit. How on earth? How? I want to know how that fucking snake flew and got his eye. Poor guy, but it's good to know he's doing alright. Yeah. Number 1. The last one. My God.
Here you can see the chilling moments when a mother in Fort Worth, Texas is trying to rescue her 8-year-old daughter from what looks like a kidnapper's car.
Oh no, oh no, oh no.
You can hear the pain in her voice as she calls for help. The man in the car, Michael Webb, approached the two while they were walking down the street. He was caught the next day.
Good, you bastard. Christ. Christ. Did she get the daughter back? That's what I want to know.
Less than 12 hours later, the big break. 2 church members heeding law enforcement's call for help on social media,
that's creepy as
spotting
fuck,
the
that.
vehicle in the parking lot of this hotel.
These guys are our heroes. You know, we're here in police uniform with badges and guns, and everybody calls us heroes. And now we have 2 citizens that went out of our way.
Heroes indeed. Authorities arrived at that hotel about 10 miles southeast of Fort Worth, busting down the door of the room where they say the suspect was holding Salem. He's now in custody facing aggravated kidnapping charges.
Good.
Police
Good.
say Salem is in good condition.
Good, thank God. Poor girl. Flippin' egg. Well, that was good. Shocking. Very shocking. Some moments I don't think I could stand it. Like the fucking dude being his missus. What a dick. Don't. Just don't do it. What's the point? Creepiest doorbell camera clips. The most shockingest doorbell camera clips. That's what it should have been called. But anyway, thank you for watching with me. Hope you enjoyed it. If you enjoyed it, leave a like. It's always good. Helps my channel. And if you want to see more, please subscribe. Love you lots.